Hey, so what's going on, people? So we're back again with another video. Today we're making breadfruit pop, aka criminal. So we're gonna start off by peeling the breadfruit. Some people cut out the breadfruit, slice it up, and then peel it. In this case, I peeling it, then I slice it up. Same difference. Now that we don't have the breadfruit peel, I cut it in 4 pieces. So all you want to do is take out this middle part, not go too deep. Don't want to waste the breadfruit, you know. Take out that middle part there. That's the goals. So now we wash off the breadfruit, make sure it's breadfruit clean. Wash it off good. Now we can slice it up. The size not really matter because this way I put for boil. Anyway that we mash up and blend up, so not really matter the size. Just make it a good size so it could fit in your pot. Okay, and this time we're not grate the coconut. This time we ain't blend the coconut. So that's why you see we're cutting it up here. Cutting it up small so you could the blender could handle it. You don't want to leave them too big. Now you can squeeze the coconut trash and get the milk. So this we do 2 times. Squeeze the first one, squeeze that, and we put some more water and we squeeze it a second time. I don't want to do it too much because then it become watery. Put the breadfruit there for boil. You can put this with cinnamon stick and a pinch of salt. I don't put too much salt. Put the cinnamon stick and the breadfruit for boil. You make that boil for 20 minutes. 20 minutes should do it. Put in the cinnamon stick. We add a little bit of salt. You notice not much. Okay, so that done boil for 20 minutes. Checking it again now. And do the test to see if they cook. See? Yep. One cook. boil. Just want to leave it, make it cool down for a couple minutes. Okay, now, so the same water we use to boil the breadfruit, same water we use to blend it up with. So we're going to dash the water, throw that out, and we're going to use that later. This water got all the substance, all the cinnamon stick and the breadfruit. We're going to use that to blend it up with the coconut milk. Add the coconut milk. Getting open, we're going to add the condensed milk. We add this whole pan of condensed milk. So we add this with the coconut milk. If you don't have more coconut milk, you put use normal bag milk. Add the coconut milk, vanilla, and the condensed milk. Then you blend that up. Then you mix it up with the pot. All that don't mix up, it should look
why you
like
call it
this.
criminal? Because when you don't beat it,
stir that up good.
You just sit back and hold a dish and you say it's time to do a crime.
So to stir it good, you have to go 3 left, 2 right, 5 left, 2 right. Now put it like that, yeah. For give it a little more flavor, you can add some nutmeg in it. Some nutmeg in there. For eat some spice, some flavor.
What else if I do? Just dish it out. Dish it out now. See there?
Could be a slow motion of how this thing should look. Check it in slow motion. Yep. Chaka, tell them how it tastes, Chaka.
Delicious.